Hello friends, my name is Som. Now we will see vector algebra, type of vector, components of a vector. Let a vector OP vector is equals to A vector is equals to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Here x, y and z are called scalar components and x I cap plus y j cap and z k cap are called vector components of a vector along the axis. OP vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap 1 comma 2 comma 3 scalar component. I comma 2j plus 3k are vector components. Next is direction ratio and direction cosines of a vector. If a vector is equals to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, then x, y and z are called direction ratios and L, M, N are called direction cosines, where L is equals to cos alpha is equals to x upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. M is equals to cos beta is equals to y upon under root x square plus y square plus z square. N is equals to cos gamma is equals to z upon x square plus y square plus z square, where L square plus m square plus n square is equals to 1. Now using these three formula we can find any cos, like cos alpha is equals to x upon root x square plus y square plus z square. Now we will see a question. Let a vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap, b is equals to 2 I cap plus j cap is mod a vector is equals to mod b vector and are the vectors are equal. A vector is equals to under root 1 plus 4 plus 0 is equals to root 5. B vector is equals to root 4 plus 1 plus 0 is equals to root 5. Mod of A vector is equals to mod of B vector, but not equal vector due to different compounds. Find the unit vector in the direction of vector A cap A bar is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k. A is equals to A vector upon mod of A vector is equals to 2i plus 3j plus k upon root of 4 plus 9 plus 1. So required answer is 2i plus 3j plus k upon root of 14. Next question is find the unit vector in the direction of sum of vector A vector is equals to 2i plus 2j minus 5k and b is equals to 2i plus j plus 3k. So a vector plus b vector is equals to 4i plus 3j minus 2k. C is equals to minus c vector upon mod of c vector. Required answer is 4i plus 3j plus 2k upon root 29. Thank you friends.